You can make your own pajama this way and you will be amazed how beautiful and comfortable it has got to be. And this is the pajama with pockets, step by step, simple pocket and simple pajama making, straight pants, ready-made method, and I'm sure you will going to love this method. Take double the length of fabric to make a simple straight pajama like this. This is cotton fabric and I have folded from this side. This is the folded side and other side is open. So here we have 4 layers. Set it and press it. Keep the fabric straight from the top. Mark 1.5 inch for the elastic or the band. Mark length 12 inch. You can go as per the formula. Width is 14 inch. Exact same as hip line, we have this waistline. So we will take about 2 inches less here. That will make our waistline 12. We mark 12 inch on hip line and join waistline with the hip marking. Take the middle point on this line and give a shape to the crotch. Now we take the length. Length is 42 inches for this pajama. We have taken 1.5 inch for the elastic band or the fold from the top. From the waistline mark till the bottom, this is 42 inch for this pajama. Keep 1.5 inch for the bottom fold. The bottom is 16 inches. We take half of it, that comes out to be 8 inch. Mark it. Draw a straight line. This way. It is pretty simple. You can make this pajama for just anybody in minutes. And one method is just join the bottom with the hip. This crotch. And your loose pajama will be ready. But another method, because my son wants a straight cut pant pajama that gives a very neat and formal finish, and the method is just join this 8 inches the bottom with the hip line in a straight line. Join it. So it is 8 inches from the hip line and 8 inches on the bottom. Mark about 12 inches here and join and give it a shape this way. And here see how easy it is, and it is really very beautiful to make it. Just cut on the lines. No need to keep any seams. I've included the seams and everything already in the formulas. Make a small notches on the bottom of the pajama and this is very useful to make these cuts, and one on this upper waistline. Now the cutting is done, but we have to add pockets. If you also want to add pockets, cut this pajama pants from the side. Mark 1 inch below this line. We are taking the length of the pocket 11 inches. that is till the hip line, 7 inches width of the pocket and give it a shape. The opening of the pocket is 6 inches. Make a small cut here and make these lines darker so that you can press this pocket on plain fabric and cut your 2 pockets. So we have traced the pocket on plain fabric to make 2 pockets. This is so simple. Even if you are making this pajama for the first time, you'll be able to cut it and make it very easily. So here the cutting is done. Now we'll stitch it. This is the hip curve. We'll leave this 1.5 inch from the top. This is the front side of the pajama, and leaving till this 1.5 cut, start stitching. Join the front of the pajama. While stitching and joining the back of the pajama, stitch from the top till the curve. Here we don't need any opening, so we stitch till the end from the top. Now we make the pockets. We had marked on the fabric. Keep that pocket thing under it, under this marking, and stitch on the mouth of the pocket, that is till this 6 inches. Stop here. Make a small cut where the pocket starts and ends and turn this flap. This flap looks like the ears of an elephant. To make a small cut here, and the pocket can be turned easily. If you want to watch the complete video on pocket making, I have shared in this channel. You can see different methods of pockets making. So here we have the pocket, and make a stitch on the mouth of the pocket. It will give a very neat and beautiful finish to the mouth, and the stitch would be stronger too. So see how nice it has come out. On the back part also of the pajama, we need to add another flap of the pocket. This is another piece. Just pay attention that we are joining this pocket flap on the right side. You can see the stitch in the middle of the pajama on the right side of the pajama. Back but right. So here we again make a cut at the start and at the end of this stitch. Turn the pocket. Make a stitch on top of it. Cotton is very easily manageable, so for beginners it is advisable to always use cottons as a starting project. So here we keep this flap up like flat, and on top of it we keep the flap of another pocket. From the top, start stitching, join the pieces, and around this elephant ear kind of a thing, this pocket, join these 2 pieces also. There are different methods to make pockets, and this is one of the easiest ones that I could share with you. So till the bottom we stitched it. Make another 2 pockets likewise. This is one, and this is the fourth flap that we are joining. Make small cuts, turn the pocket and make a top stitch on the mouth of the pocket. So here all the pockets are ready, and join another side, starting from the top till from the waist around the pocket to close it. And close the side of the pajama till the bottom. See how beautiful, how nice this pocket has come out to be. You can keep your money, your keys, your mobile, everything will go well in this pocket. So this is simple method, and now we fold the top. Here we kept a little opening. Just fold this small thing and fold another side also and make a stitch on it. The purpose of this opening is so that you can insert the elastic or that casing or a waistband. So it is easier to replace the elastic or your casing. Though I shared more methods also. There are many methods to do this, to join the elastic or add the elastic to the waistband. So here we fold the casing, make a stitch, and it is simpler, straight stitch. And where we start from the beginning, we end there itself. The word is round, so is our pajama casing. We join the middle of the pajama. So here the final stitch doesn't go, we have to fold the bottom also. So here is the bottom. Just fold it and stitch it. I'm using this umbrella machine. Even on domestic simple machines you stitch like this, but if you have an automatic zigzag machine, that white plastic machines, they have a free arm. You can open that free arm, insert the make circular stitches. So I shared some videos related to that on this channel. You can watch that and nicely finish the rounds. So here we insert the elastic on the waistband. I'm taking about 3/4 of an inch wide elastic, that is the length is 2 inches less than your waist. So just insert the elastic and join it from loose ends. There are some tips that the elastic should be a new nice elastic, and spread it around all the gathers neatly and nicely and beautifully done, and make a stitch on top of this elastic. The purpose is after washing a few times, the elastic gets a shrinkage, and it gets rounded up, and it gives a very uneasy feeling if you don't make a top stitch on the elastic. So it is always better, always good to make a top stitch. This is way I'm making only one top stitch because I'll be inserting one casing also in this pajama pants. I hope you like this pajama pants and you can make this for anybody, and I'm sure you will love it. Please subscribe to this channel if you are new, like and share, and take care. Bye bye. Good day.